Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your bank statements on the US Bank app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to get your bank statements. Maybe you're applying for an apartment, or maybe you're applying for a mortgage. How do you actually go out and find your bank statements on the US Bank app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, first log on to the US Bank app. Next, click on Statements, where underneath where it says Welcome. And then from this option here, you want to click on E-Statements. Now this is where you're going to find your bank statement organized by year. So go ahead and click onto the month, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your bank statement on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.